So the example of the pronoun says, for example, if you start writing a story, you will say, once there was a boy named Mitul. Then उसके बाद Mitul used to go to school. Mitul used to do this. हर बार आप Mitul use नहीं करोगे. Then you will start using pronouns. He was an intelligent boy. He used to go back to school by walking, something like this. She in the place of female, अगर कोई girl हुई. Once there was a girl named Ayushi. She was an intelligent girl. It का बना के देखते हैं. It, you can say, I have a pet dog. Its tail is round. Its height is small. Something like this. You can use the pronouns. Adjectives की बात करें. Adjectives के बिना we will not be able to describe the things properly. अगर मुझे simply बोलना हो, she is a girl. Okay. क्या है उसमें खास, आप क्यों बता रहे हो? She is an intelligent girl. तो फिर उसमें interest पैदा होता है and you are able to tell more about nouns or pronouns. Like if I put a finger over here, this is a flower. Okay, what kind of flower? It's a beautiful flower or it's not a beautiful flower, you can say. Okay, this is a beautiful flower. So it beautiful becomes adjective. Then you say, Mama, there are clouds outside. और मम्मा को और ज़्यादा अच्छे से बताना हो तो मम्मा, there are dark clouds outside या stormy clouds outside. साथ में हवा भी चल रही है. अगर आप बात करो, I have a book. कैसी बुक है आपके पास? I have an interesting book. So interesting becomes your adjectives. Moving little further with verbs. अभी verbs क्या होते हैं? We have already studied about the nouns, pronouns, adjectives. Now we are moving towards verbs. Verbs are doing. जो आप चीज़ कर रहे हो. Something, कुछ करना. This person is swimming. Swim. Sing. Run. And these are the helping verbs. I will give you more examples on this. Let's discuss some sentences. He is swimming. He's singing. He's running. Isn't it? Very nice. Now I'll give you example. इसी के ऊपर we have adverbs. Verbs है ना same. Add means add कर देना उसके साथ कुछ. So let's see ये कैसे बनेगा. Adverbs describe verbs. जैसे adjectives noun and pronoun को describe करते थे, वैसे ही जो adverbs हैं वो verbs को describe कर रहे हैं. So let's see the example from here itself. अभी ये swim कब करने वाला है? Now it is going to give you question about कि कौन सा आंसर देने वाला है किस क्वेश्चन के लिए? Where, when, how. आप कोई चीज़ कब कैसे करने वाले हो? That's what the question is ना. So if you say, Mama, I am going to study. Mama will say, when are you going to study? कब पढ़ने वाले हो? Mama, I am going to study tomorrow. Because आज Sunday है. So similarly, if I say swim, so I can say, I am going to swim tomorrow. When? Tomorrow. Very nice. So let's use this word carefully. How? He writes carefully. Simple. Writes is a verb. It is describing. कैसे लिखेगा वो? Carefully. Or he is writing carefully. Okay. Then he sings happily. How he sings? Happily. Perfect. So that's how we use adverbs. हम adverbs use करते हैं ताकि हम verbs को जो भी हम करने वाले हैं उसको describe कर लें. Yes. Moving further with next part of speech, that is prepositions. Can you see all these things? Let's make sentences with in. Fish is in the pot, or you can say bowl. Then bee passes through the ring. Perfect. Ball is under the table. Can you see a little bird over there? Yes. The bird is sitting on the tree. Now, the girl is standing in between the parents. Very nice. So that's how we use. We tell the position of something. They always come before noun or pronoun. Perfect. Next are conjunctions. कंजंक्शंस क्या हैं? जॉइनिंग वर्ड्स, टू सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए, टू वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए वी यूज कंजंक्शंस. मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ, वेरी इजी एंड इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जाम्पल. सो द एग्जाम्पल इज I like eating pizza, but it makes me fat. But यूज हो गया. मुझे पिज़्ज़ा खाना बहुत पसंद है लेकिन वो मुझे मोटा कर देता है. Can we use because now? Let's use because. I like playing football because it keeps me healthy. Perfect. दो हमने ग्रुप्स या सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन कर दिया. Very nice. You can try making some other. I love pizza and ice cream both. Perfect. You can do maths work or Hindi work in the morning or. Perfect. So the last is interjections. Interjections are very, exciting. How they tell you about the happiness, about your excitement, about your horror, anger, sadness. ये सारी आपके जो moods होते हैं उसको describe करते हैं. So let's see a few example. Alas, alas, I broke the glass. आपसे जब कांच का ग्लास टूट जाता है, then you feel like that mama is going to scold you. Then you say, alas, I broke the glass. Oh, then is yuck, I don't like this. जब आपको कोई चीज़ टेस्टी नहीं लगती है, वो that building is really beautiful. Exclamatory sign भी लगा सकते हैं आप इसके साथ. Yeah, that's what it says. In a sentence, an introduction is generally followed by an exclamation sign. A sign like this. Perfect. Can we have yippee? We won the match. So how they have written? The same. Whoa, I won the race. So they are using the exclamatory sign. Perfect. Let's finish our parts of speech. ये वाली exercise आप करेंगे. You will be writing it. So they are telling you how can you remember it? You can remember it by saying I van cap. I van cap. Very good. So these are nothing but ये आपको hints दे गए हैं so that you can write the 8 parts of speech over here. This is what you have to do on page number 115. Can we just quickly revise it? Let's be very quick. I say introduction, very nice. We, think about it. Verb, you are so intelligent. A, think about it. There are two. You can either say adjective or adverb. How intelligent you are today. N, nouns. Clap for yourself. C, conjunctions. Perfect. Now again A, adverb or adjective, whichever you have not written here. Incredible. Very nice. Then there are two P's. The one is for pronouns. The another one for preposition. Perfect. That's how you have completed the parts of speech. You have got all the hints? Perfect. I loved teaching you guys. Thank you so much.